Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make circular crop with border and CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and if we want to create a circular crop with border, we have to apply mask to our video. You can tap on your video and then you can go to the mask option, and here you can choose circular mask or circle mask, and you can place this mask to the object you want to keep. Then you have to go to the basic and then you can scroll down like this until you find the canvas, and you have to select color. Okay, and choose the color you want to make as your border. This is going to be your border color, and I'm going to choose white. Okay, then we can right click on our video and click on create compound clip. Okay, then you can go to the mask option again and select circle. Then you can place the circle to the first mask, and I'm going to make it bigger like this to create like border. Okay, now it's done, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make circular crop with border and CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.